Welcome to Rvs Data Conversion. Dataeditar online medical form filling auto typer software. Rvs Team convert online Dataeditar medical /KYC travel management images into Excel. By using Dataeditar auto typer software, automate the data entry work. Open auto typer software. Upload Dataeditar medical data Excel sheet. Log in to Dataeditar online form filling project. Select the form number in medical auto typer. Click on the Start log and keep cursour in the first box of Dataeditar. Auto typer software types medical data into online form filling like manual typing. After auto typing, once check the data and save the form. Select Next Form in Dataeditar medical form filling auto typing software. Repeat the process of Dataeditar form filling auto typing process. Note: conversion is not 100% accuracy. After auto typing, once check each and every spelling. If there is any mistake, correct manually and save the form. Rvs data conversion services are giving best accuracy output with reasonable price. Thanks for watching. Contact +91 970 430 5784.